Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer mode on your Xbox and setting up the device portal. This gives you permission to deploy unsigned packages. Once enabled, make sure your PC can reach the console over the same LAN and you have administrative rights. Download the Java runtime for the ARM/x64 target you plan to use and copy installers to a USB drive. Make sure to backup saves and note available storage. You will need extra space for packaging and temporary files. You will now wrap the Java runtime into a universal Windows platform container or use an established runtime bridge so Xbox can host it. Convert required binaries into an apps package, include manifest capabilities for file and network access, and sign the package with a developer certificate. Once packaged, connect to Device Portal, upload the apps, and install to internal or external storage. While installing, watch the console logs for missing dependencies. This helps you identify you're ready to run and validate Java on the console. Launch the UWP app and execute a small Java class to confirm runtime behavior. If it works, confirm file and network access and test the performance profile. If it fails, inspect the device portal logs, verify you matched ARM versus x64 builds, and ensure all runtime DLLs and capabilities are declared in the manifest. Once fixed, rebuild and redeploy. One key troubleshooting tip. If installation stalls, revoke and recreate the developer certificate, then reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.